Hello everyone, hope you're doing super awesome. This is a quick video on how you can retrieve the password of your WordPress login from the cPanel or from the PHPMyAdmin section, or you can also say from the server end how can you retrieve the password. So in case you have forgotten your password and your admin email ID is not correctly configured, in that case you won't be able to use the forget password option to retrieve your password. So I'll quickly take you to the cPanel. Now once you type in the cPanel address in the URL, you will be landing up on this. You need to log into your cPanel, and once you log in, you will land up in this dashboard. Now you simply have to search for PHPMyAdmin and you'll find this button over here. So get into this PHPMyAdmin section, and here try to locate the database for your website. You might be having multiple installations in your server, and just locate the website for which you want to change the password. Get into that database, get into users. In case you are unable to locate it, you can just simply search for users and you'll be able to find it. Now this is the user, not the other one. So this particular user you need to click on, and once you click on this, you'll be finding this option over here to edit or to delete that particular user. So from this user section in your PHPMyAdmin, you can manage or control all the users in your WordPress. So be it your subscriber, be it your admin, be it your editor. So you can manage all the account details from here. And in case you want to change the password, as in this case, I can simply type in the new password over here. Now this password is actually encrypted in here. This is not the exact password. Now once you type in the password that you want for your user, you can just select MD5 from this drop down. Now MD5 actually ensures that this password is encrypted whenever it is saved in your database. In this PHP users section, it is saved as in an encrypted format, and anyone from the backend cannot log in and see the password of the particular user. And if you want, you can also change the username, the email ID from this particular section. Now once you're done, click on go and the information will be saved. That's it. So yes, it was that simple. So that's all from this particular video. If you have any doubts, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much. Bye bye.